Hey, while I've been recovering from some hand surgery I had back in December, got another month or so of that, I've been taking the opportunity to do some cleaning and organizing in my shop. And I started with my paint room. I started by replacing the ram board I had on the floor before, so got a nice clean look in here. I got my sink cleaned up. This sink is about 100 years old. And organized my shelf here to make room for my ultrasonic cleaner that I've had for a long time, just never had a place to put it. So I'll get that working soon. Repurposed an old cabinet, put a flip top on it so I can double the space. This is on 4-inch caster, so it'll roll out into the middle of the floor and give me a space to paint parts on. I have my paint rack over here. That's my vent fan system that fits right in the window and vents everything out of there. And just have to clean up this workbench space here. So, hey, check out my YouTube channel. When I get to 1,000 subscribers, I'm at 850 something now. So when I get to 1,000, I'm gonna give you a full shop tour.